y'all. What's wrong with my lashes? Welcome back to my freaking channel. So today, I'm not taking these off because what is going on? What type of number are they doing? I don't know what they're doing. Whatever. Y'all, I am on the way to McDonough. If you know where McDonough is, you know where it is. If you don't, you don't. I'm on the way there to get my hair done. That's why I got this bonnet on, because y'all know I wouldn't be on here with no bonnet. But I'm going to get my hair done. So I'm on the way there now. Today is just going to be a day with E. See what I do. I might have to go to work today. My lash is doing a weird number. I don't like it. But anywho,
turn left onto Fegan Mill Road.
Anywho, it's raining and I want to be safe, so I will holler at y'all when I get there. After 1 hour of driving, I've made it. My eyelash is still looking crazy. I don't know why. It's doing like a weird little number here. It's bothering me. Anywho, I made it. I'm excited. She installed my last week and it was installed very, very beautiful. So I'm excited about this one being installed. This time we're gonna do a DEEPWAVE wig. I got this wig from WIGMY, I think that's what it's called. So we're gonna see what this wig looking like, what it's talking about. Okay. Anywho, we're gonna see what this wig is looking like and what it's talking about. So this is what we're installing today. DEEPWAVE wig from WIGMY. I really think that's what this video is really gonna be about, though, to be honest, because I don't know what else I gotta do today. I'm just here to get my hair done. I might go to work, so I may vlog that a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna see. I'm about to call her. What I really want to show y'all is his hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. Make sure y'all get y'all a wig from WIGMY. And I'm telling y'all, when you get the wig at first, you're literally going to be like, what is this? Like, what the hell is this? Because that's exactly how I was. Like, what the hell? Because it was super, it appeared super thin. But even when I took it to go get it installed, I was like, oh my gosh, I really wanted to go get another bundle for this because it just seemed so thin. You know, even her looking at it, she was just kind of like, it might be thin. I'm like, in my head, I hope it still look good. But once we put some water on it, or once she put some water on it and she kind of brushed it out, it made the hair look fuller. Like, it really is full. You can see. Even I could put it up in a ponytail, still look full. So, I'm about to use this spray bottle. I like this. She was using it yesterday on my hair. And I think I'm going to like this better because I think she said just click it. Oh, there we go. You just hit it one time and it constantly keeps going out. So you have to just keep it, you know, moving. I like that. You're not like constantly squirting. Your hair is not just drenched. Not drenched. If you hit it twice, it makes it go longer. So it's a longer spray. So we're just gonna put some water in it now. And what I'm doing right now is just kind of running my hands through it. As you can see, like, I haven't even put the brush on it yet. And it's still curling up. This is just water. Just water. Just kind of running my hands through while it's wet. I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse. This is the mousse I'm using. Beautiful texture, curl definer mousse. You know, curly hair, I always need a little mousse. Just a little bit, not too much. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't know if that's the same thing she used in my hair, because it smells like it, but I don't know. But it smells so good. And see, this is what it looks like just running your hands through it. So, I don't know if I want to put the brush on this. It's just like, it looks so good. Wait till I take the scarf off. Okay, so I'm going to try to do like a little piece. And see, it don't have that much shedding. This is all the shedding it got. That's nothing. That's literally nothing. And that's just me running my hands through it. So, I'm going to take this detangler brush. This shit supposed to be like this? Y'all ever have a detangler brush like this? Like breaks apart? Any way to lock this in place? Like, what is this? Oh. Let's see. See what it does. I mean, it ain't doing as much. It's not doing too much. It's just kind of getting the tangles out, if anything. But that's about it. So, like I said, you can just run your hands through it and boom. That's really all I had to do. Because this brush, I mean, what is it really doing? Nothing. Not serving no purpose. So, but yeah, this is how it looks. Removing my scarf. Y'all, please tell me another scarf I can use other than my regular scarf to tie my edges down that will go behind the ear. You see how my ears are? That's from that scarf being on there so tight. Oh God. Said I don't want my freaking lace to get wet. I mean it can, but I don't want it to. I'm about to fix this little swoop right there. Yeah, so this is the hair that I got, or the wig I got from WIGMY. Very affordable wig. One thing One thing I can say about this wig that I wish, and maybe it's just me because I haven't had curly hair in so long, but I thought 30 inch was supposed to be a little bit longer than this. Like, it's long, but it's not as long as a 30 inch. But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. I have no idea. So this is the wig. This is my wig from WIGMY. So y'all make sure y'all go and shop. I gotta fix my baby hair right there. And this is not a sponsorship. I'm not getting sponsored for this at all. I just love putting people on to different hair that I use, different products that I use. I love putting people on. I mean, why keep the tricks in the bag? Like, I'm not selling hair, so I might as well tell y'all who I'm buying my hair from. Go shop. WIGMY hair store on ALIEXPRESS now.
Be my bada bing,